All right, so I've been trying out these new mics and I really, really like them. So I've used similar mics in the past, so I'm familiar with how this works, but basically there's a receiver here that you're just gonna plug into your phone via the USB-C spot. And then you have a couple mics here. And when you take them out of the package, they automatically start trying to pair with that receiver right there. And they'll turn green once they're paired. But right now that doesn't have any power because it's not plugged into a phone. But they would turn green because they're paired. I'm going to go ahead and grab another phone and show you how that works. So into your phone, you're just going to grab this receiver part, plug it into the bottom, and now these things here, when you turn them on, we'll have a solid green connection there. So that means you're connected, and now it's using, this is audio. Now some phones you do have to switch to the audio source for the external audio. I know Google Pixels you have to, I'm not sure what other phones you have to, but this is a Samsung, it just automatically switches over, so that's pretty cool. And then you can have both connected at the same time. That way you can do it interview style if you want. There you go. And I'm finding that the audio quality from these things is amazing. The audio is crisp and clear, very, very understandable, and a very true representation of what you actually hear in real life. Of course, there's a couple other indicators here. This one here shows you when it's low on power. It's good that it's not blinking right now. And this one over here is actually shows you the noise reduction on it. So right now, noise reduction is on. If you click this button on the side, it turns noise reduction off. If you double click that button, it actually mutes the microphone. So now it's muted. Double click again, turns it back on. If you triple click that button, it actually activates like an echo mode. And you can see that from that blue indicator right there. Kind of weird. Not sure I would ever use that, but it's there. And you can triple click it again to deactivate that. All right, so I'm going to give you a demonstration of this mic. Just clips onto your shirt. Just like that. Really small. I love how small it is. And then, yeah, I'm talking right now. This is with the noise reduction on. I'm going to click it off real quick. So maybe you can hear the hum of the refrigerator now because noise reduction is off. So I'm going to turn that back on. And now that should be gone. We'll see. Not a huge fan of the echo mode, but I'll show you that too. So now I should be echoing. I don't know what you think about that. I think it's pretty gimmicky. I would never use it in real life. But I do think that noise reduction mode is great. So yeah, like I said, I love these microphones and I'm definitely going to be using them.